Look at him, you see him? He was like it responded to its name and everything. Yeah, it's like, puppy.
Easy, Pooh.
No. No. I don't know. Yeah, check your damn camera.
Oh. I mean, really.
Is it a video?
Uh-huh.
Oh! Aw. He's itchy. Why are you so itchy, sweetie? This one looks like it really wanted to play.
It looked so sad in the cage, and now it looks so happy.
It did. It looked so sad. There it is again.
Hi, Heather.
Hi. He's like, I can't get it because I'm on his back.
God. This dog has very little friction, have you noticed?
It's very funny. Ooh, it bites hard though.
Be careful.
It's mighty. You gotta learn how to not be so rough, little buddy.